As we see that the endoskeleton is made up by the bones and the cartilage. And here first of all we discuss about the cartilage. And what is cartilage? The definition: the dense, clear, blue-white film connective tissues is known as the cartilage. And cartilage is the less strong than the bones. Bones are the greater stronger capacity as compared to the cartilage. So that these are the dense, clear, blue-white film connective tissues. Means cartilage are made up by the connective tissues. The cells of the cartilage is known as the chondrocytes. Here the composition of the chondrocytes. Chondrocytes lies in the fluid space cavity which is known as the lacuna. This cavity or fluid space structure is known as the lacuna, and which is present in the matrix of the cartilage. The matrix of the cartilage also contains the collagen fibers. So what is cartilage? Is a dense blue white film connective tissue which are made up by the connective tissues. Cells of cartilage known as the chondrocytes. These are lies in the fluid space cavity or space is known as the lacuna, and the matrix of the cartilage also contains the collagen fibers, so that blood vessels are not enter into the cartilage. There are three types of the cartilage: hyaline cartilage, elastic cartilage, and then the fibrous cartilage. First of all, we study the hyaline cartilage. Hyaline cartilage is a strong and yet flexible in their structures. And where it is present or it covers the long ends of the bones. Means it covers the long ends bones. For example, where the hyaline cartilage is present, as nose, larynx, trachea, and the bronchial tubes, these are all the structures where the hyaline cartilage is present. The structure of hyaline cartilage is the strong and yet flexible, and it covers the long ends of the bones. So nose, trachea, larynx, these are the structure where the hyaline cartilage is present. And then moves towards the elastic cartilage. Elastic cartilage, the structure of the elastic cartilage is similar to the hyaline cartilage, but it is also the strong cartilage. It is also the strong type of cartilage, and it also shows the some elasticity, means lachak. As the name shows, elastic cartilage means this cartilage also shows the elasticity. The examples or where the elastic cartilage is present is the epiglottis and the pinna. Again, students see the elastic cartilage. Elastic cartilage is the strong and also shows the elasticity. It is quite strong and elasticity. Why it is elastic? Because the elastic cartilage is made up by a network of the elastic fibers in the addition of collagen fiber. We see that in cartilage collagen fibers is present. Besides the collagen fibers, elastic fibers are also present in the elastic cartilage, so that this cartilage shows the elasticity. And where this present in epiglottis and pinna. What is epiglottis? We study epiglottis is the flap of the tissues which are present or covers the glottis. And then the pinna, the external part is the pinna. The outside the structure of the ear which we seen is known as the pinna. And then moves towards the fibrous cartilage. Fibrous cartilage is also very tough and less flexible as compared to the hyaline cartilage, so that in the fibrous cartilage there are large number of the collagen fibers also present. Collagen fibers are also present, and these collagen fibers are formed in the nutrient form, so that the structure of the fibrous cartilage is the invertebral disc, invertebral columns where this cartilage is also present. This is all about the cartilage. So there are three types of cartilage: hyaline, elastic, and then the fibrous cartilage. Students, see your book. Here the definition of the movement, then the locomotion, exoskeleton, endoskeleton, definition of skeleton, role of the skeletal system, bone and cartilage, and then we discuss about the cartilage in detail, chondrocytes, cells of the cartilage. See this recalling: cartilage and bones are the types of connective tissues in animals, and the connective tissues contains the collagen fibers in their matrix. Students, see this diagram. This diagram shows the chondrocytes, the cells of the cartilage. This is the cartilage matrix, and the spaces. And here the spaces, fluid spaces are appears, and this spaces is known as the lacuna. And there are the cells of the cartilage. Tendons and ligaments are other connective tissues that contains the tightly packed collagen fibers. After the discussing the bone, we also discuss the tendons and ligaments. Students, see this diagram. This is the cartilage of the epiglottis, cartilage of the larynx, and the cartilage of trachea. What types of cartilage these are? We see that in the hyaline cartilage, nose, trachea, larynx, and the bronchial. Cartilage of the trachea, where the cartilage of trachea means here the hyaline cartilage is present, and the cartilage of the larynx, here also the present is the hyaline cartilage. But in the cartilage of epiglottis, we see that epiglottis elastic cartilage is present. So cartilage of epiglottis is the elastic, larynx and the trachea is the hyaline cartilage, types of hyaline cartilage. It's all about our today lecture. Thank you, class.